Hi, I'm Terry from Heron Instruments. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Series 1800 dipper-Temp temperature meter. The dipper-Temp is ideal for profiling temperature and static water level in wells, boreholes, lakes, and rivers. Temperature can alter the physical and chemical properties of water and should be accounted for when determining an increased level in biological activity and water chemistry. Groundwater temperature surveys have become increasingly important as geothermal energy becomes more popular for domestic heating and cooling. Let's go over the features, advantages, and how to properly use the dipper-Temp. To protect the dipper-Temp and ease of transport in the field, the unit comes packed in a free backpack carry case. Not only will it hold your meter, but there are pockets for your laptop and notepads. Now we'll go over the different features of the dipper-Temp. The powder-coated steel frame with a vinyl holding grip is strong and sturdy and easy to hold. The nylon fiber composite plates are installed on the center hub with stainless ball bearings. This allows for smooth movement while reeling the tape up and down the well. Between the two plates you will find the premium yellow steel tape that Heron is famous for. This tape is coated in a tougher, higher temperature resistant Kynar to protect the markings until under it for many years. The tape comes in either metric or imperial markings. The imperial markings are in engineering scale. The tape has a dog bone profile, meaning that it's rounded on either side and flat in the center, which helps eliminate sticking to the side of the casing. The tape is embedded directly into the probe body, reducing the potential for probe damage in harsher environments. The built-in hanger and tape guide is an ideal solution for hanging your unit on the side of the well and for protecting your tape from the sharp well casing edge. On the back of the frame you will find the brake knob. Loosen the brake when you are lowering the tape down the well. At any time you need to stop the tape, simply tighten the brake. The electronic panel is modular and removable in case it needs to be replaced. The circuitry on the back of the panel is coated to protect it from water and the elements. The 9-volt battery is easy to change by simply sliding out the battery drawer. We suggest you always carry an extra 9-volt battery in your backpack just in case. There is no on and off switch on this unit. The water is the switch. This is a test button. Pushing the test button in air gives the ambient air temperature. The digital display located in the center of the panel will display the temperature in Celsius. To control the audio signal, use the buzzer on-off button. This is useful when you are only doing temperature profiling. The dipper-Temp comes with a fully submersible, permanently affixed temperature probe. This probe is used to detect both temperature and static levels. When you lower the probe into the water, the unit will start to sound immediately. The temperature sensor is located at the end of the probe for quick stabilization of the temperature value. Please note that you need to have both the stainless steel end as well as the start of the probe body in the water. This creates the contact. The 0 point starts here to the first foot mark or meter mark. Before going out in the field, you should always test your unit. Push the test button in air. The unit will display ambient air temperature. When low BAT is displayed, the 9-volt battery must be changed as soon as possible. When you're in the field, hang the unit on the side of the casing. Then run the tape over the tape guide. Lower the probe into the well. The unit will start to sound on contact with water. Take a note of the measurement markings on the tape. This is the static water level. You can push the buzzer button to switch the audio signal off if you're only doing temperature profiling. Push the test button. This will display the temperature reading in Celsius on the LCD display screen. The temperature reading will take 30 seconds to stabilize. Continue to lower the probe and take readings of temperature at desired depths. So this is how you use the Heron dipper-Temp meter. If you have any questions, you can contact us through our website at heroninstruments.com. Thank you for watching.